Weekly horoscope, week commencing 18th October till 24th of October. The preview, preview. Preview is a in which we only share one part out of all the 6 parts of the premium content. Preview is we only share the conclusion part 1. In premium content, we have transits for this coming week, transit of moon, the impact of moon's transit on you, what are the results, conclusion part 1, conclusion part 2, the task precautions and chanting. Precautions you need, task you need it to balance the astrological equation if you want to. Precaution what you shouldn't do, and the chanting how you can boost yourself up spiritually. All the elements are there in the premium content, but if you want to, then you can visit my website prakashastrologer.com and acquire the premium content from my website. These weekly horoscopes or the monthly horoscopes, even the yearly horoscopes which I produce, these are applied horoscopes. They are fully applicable, and a lot of information is given to you. You can change or maneuver the astrological equation if you want to for your benefit, and a lot of things is given to share with you. You can take advantage of these particular horoscope, weekly horoscope. If something is important coming in the coming week, and like as a job interview or legal case court date or any particular important meeting, and you want to see that what the best you can do, or presentation, or the particular event of the week, you want things go smoothly, whatever the help you can take it astrologically as given in this particular weekly horoscope. But the premium content we share the whole, but the preview we only share the part. But in this preview as well, you have to watch the video till the end, because in the last part of we call supporting statement for each and every sign, which is individual according to your weekly horoscope, individual horoscope for each and every sign. So we define the equation and try to explain to you what is what. But at the end of the day is your choice. My weekly horoscopes are applied horoscopes. If you are concerned about the coming week and you need some sort of a support, guidance or help, and you want to maneuver your astrological equation, then these are horoscopes are for you. How important is the coming week for you, and what are the important events happening, which at what stage you are in your life, at what moment you are in, and what you want to achieve. So it's all depend on you. There is purely applied astrology weekly horoscopes. So if you want to apply and use the application of astrology and maneuver the equation and achieve the benefit, and if you want to do that, it's entirely up to you. It's all depend on, this is not wishy-washy kind of horoscope, this will happen, this will explain to you what is what. More magnifying as much we can for the complete information for the coming week. So best of luck for all of you. But kindly watch the whole video till the end. Aries weekly brief forecast. Week commencing 18th October till 24th of October. The coming week for you, Aries. This is the coming week. Aries, in this coming week, due to Venus Ketu in 8th house, beware of any kind of a scandalous situation, or look after your health regarding urine or lower abdomen or digestive system. Rahu's position 2nd house. Watch your flow of income. Look after your marriage relationship. Refrain from offending anybody with your ego or word or speech or sharp language or attitude. Sun in position in 7th house. Sun, Mars, Mercury. Sun's position in 7th house. You have to look after your marriage relationship. Look after your joint venture. Watch your word or speech or presentation. Mars and Mercury in 6th house. Keep a close eye on your enemies, please. Jupiter, Saturn in 10th house. Watch your financial decision or professional decision if you're investing any money in your business or career. So you have to be extra careful. Improve your communication with people around you. Aries, you might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website, which can give you complete analysis of the whole week, define you moon's transit effect. That will define you, your gut feeling, your vision, your imagination, your decisions, your choices, your health, your harmony, your happiness. An extensive weekly horoscope report define you what astrological tasks you must do in the time of your need to get out from the situation. What precautions you must implement in your discipline to save yourself. what sacred chanting you can do to achieve your supremacy spiritually. For that kind of weekly report, if you're looking for applied weekly horoscope report, kindly visit my website prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best. Conclusion part 1 for this coming week, Aries. In this coming week, due to your planets, Sun and Sun's position especially, most of your hopes and desires, expectation will be fulfilled. Aries, you will be appreciated and recognized by decision maker, by powerful people, people who have wealth, power and authority, people who have legal authority. You will be recognized by them. You are involved in a new project, new ventures, new planning, new ideas. You will be in contact with a lot of professional people, powerful people, decision makers, people who can offer you opportunities. Aries, your expenditure can be sky high, and due to over expenditure, you can be sometimes very much under pressure, sometimes very much tense, upset, disappointed, because expenditure is very, very high, income is not according to expenditure.